Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matab Mirza, and in this vlog I will show you around my backyard and the front yard. So let's get started. So this is the backyard where you can see the pool, the flamingo, and the sitting area on the right side. And in this sitting area we just enjoy the evening tea or sit with family when the weather is nice, and we have some beautiful flowers. We have bird bath and some bird food station, and on the side we have some vegetables grown up where I'm gonna show you that later. So we're just gonna open the door and I will show you the side and the front view. And this is the homegrown vegetable side. As you know, this is September and this is a harvesting season. So we're just gonna harvest the veggies that are grown up. As you can see, the tomatoes are ready now. And if you look around, we have some zucchini, we have pumpkin, eggplant, okra, jalapeno, some green chilies, and even a baby bell pepper. And now this is the back side of the garden. You can see there are big pumpkins that are ready to be taken off, and they are so healthy and fresh looking. We also shared these veggies with our neighbors. We have very good neighbors. Whenever they have something grown up, They always share it with us, and we do the same. So look at this. We got some zucchinis, pumpkins, tomatoes, green chilies, and jalapeno, and also eggplant. Some of them are still babies, but the ones that are already grown up, we harvested them. I hope you guys liked this video of my backyard and front yard, and please keep supporting my channel, like, subscribe, and share with family and friends. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.